overcrowded and overwhelmed. Leaders at one local animal shelter say hoarding cases are pushing them past their limits. Well, this is a look at some of the dogs waiting to be adopted right now. How cute are they? They're at the Ontario County Humane Society's Happy Tails shelter in Canandaigua. It's been operating above capacity for most of the year. News 10 NBC's Declan Stablo found out a rise in hoarding cases is partly to blame. He sat down with the Happy Tails board president, Kurt Cosent.
So far this year, the Ontario County Humane Society has responded to 5 separate hoarding cases. Last year, it didn't have any. Cosent says the shelter was able to get back to a manageable capacity for a bit, but a hoarding case out of Geneva last week caused another setback.
Just one hoarding case after the next to get us to the highest census that we've ever had of 125 animals has just been really taxing on the organization.
Cosent says it's hard to pinpoint an exact reason for the rise in hoarding cases, but points to certain patterns.
What it appears to be is that people lose control of what's happening within their house and the number of animals that are either procreating and really what to do with them.
85 animals are at the shelter right now. Its max capacity is supposed to be 50.
Our animal intake is the highest that I can recall, and it's 40% over last year. So we've taken in almost 300 animals this year.
Thankfully, there's been a record-setting effort by volunteers who put in over 5,500 combined hours.
Frankly, without them, we wouldn't be able to do all that we do. And, we have around 50 to 60 volunteers, and they're working tirelessly to get these animals back to health.
Adoption fees have been waived at Happy Tails since November 1st for service members and first responders, and fees were lowered for Ontario County residents. It's part of a push to find these animals a home for the holidays. So far, 50 animals have already found a new home. In Canandaigua, Declan Stablo, News 10 NBC.
Every animal adopted out of Happy Tails is either spayed or neutered, microchipped, and fully vaccinated. We have more information on adopting in this story on WHGC.com.